guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Today I am making curry chicken, so let's get right into the video. I have washed my chicken and I cut it into desired pieces. I have here with me my curry powder. This is my favorite curry powder to use. I also have some jerk seasoning and a little complete. And then I have my chopped onion, my carrot, a little scotch bonnet pepper, and garlic. Let's get started with the seasoning process. So I'm just going to add a little curry, not much. Alright, I'm going to add my seasoning and I'm going to combine this. I am now adding a little oil to the pot, and as soon as this is heated, I am going to add my curry powder. This is to bring out the flavor and make sure that the curry is properly cooked. I have now added the chicken pieces in and look at that color. Yes, that's what we're talking about. So this has been going on for a few minutes and it's getting there so beautiful. At this point, I am going to add the onion, the garlic, the carrot, and the scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm just going to combine it and then add water and leave it to simmer. The curry chicken is finished and I serve it with white rice. This is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Until next time, bye.